part of our cultural heritage. But what happens when art deteriorates over time? Enter artificial intelligence, the unsung hero in the world of art restoration and archiving. Over the years, AI has become a valuable ally in the battle against time, bringing damaged artworks back to life and preserving them for future generations. Take, for instance, the restoration of age-old frescoes. Here, AI algorithms are trained to recognize patterns and recreate missing or damaged parts, all while preserving the original artist's style. Isn't that fascinating? And it doesn't stop there. AI is also revolutionizing the way we archive art. By creating digital twins of artworks, AI ensures that even if the physical piece were to be lost, its digital counterpart would live on. The AI-powered tools also enable us to explore art in unprecedented detail, revealing hidden layers and unseen features, thus enriching our understanding and appreciation of these masterpieces. Art restoration and archiving through AI ensures that our cultural heritage remains intact for future generations. In a world where cultural heritage is at risk of being lost, artificial intelligence emerges as a powerful tool for preservation. It's a bridge between the past and the future, enabling us to understand, revive, and conserve our rich and diverse cultural legacy. From the intricate dance of language translation, where AI deciphers and breathes life into ancient scripts, to the delicate choreography of art restoration, where it meticulously revives faded artworks, AI is redefining the preservation of our cultural heritage. In the realm of archiving, AI's role is pivotal. It sifts through countless artifacts, documents, and historical records, making them accessible and meaningful to all. The potential of AI in this field is immense, and we are just scratching the surface. Future advancements could see AI-powered holographic reconstructions of historical figures or immersive virtual reality tours of ancient civilizations. With AI, our cultural heritage is not just preserved, it is passed on, ensuring that our collective identity, knowledge, and history continue